I'm gonna attempt to upgrade my memory on my Mac Mini. Never done this before with a Mac, but see how it goes. Tools I'm gonna use. It's a putty knife. Make sure it's kind of flexible there. Alrighty, one of these. Got it at Home Depot for like $4. I got, let's see if you can see that, 1 gig of Corsair memory, 184 pin DDR. So we'll see if that works. Alright. I've seen this done on the internet, so let's see if I can do this. This bad boy in here. There we go. Slide this bitch over. Bam. Couple more on this side. Boom. Making history here. Took like 6 minutes. Pop this baby open. Alright, so this is the guts. We got our memory right here on the side. Came with the 256K megabytes RAM. Eventually I will upgrade the optical drive and the hard drive. But right now, it's just for the RAM. The 1 gig, baby. Right. Let me pop out the old. Dim here. Bam, baby. One time. Okay. This is the old one. There you have it. 10 minutes. Well, I'm going to test it out and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Just tested it out. It's working awesome. It says 1 gig is installed. So let's close this baby up. Back here. tabs in a bit. Just a bit. Back is in place, as you can see. All I gotta do is press the tabs a bit more. Bam! And there you have it. Just upgraded my RAM to 1 gig. Let's go play.